Tecno quietly announced Spark 20C, its latest entry-level offering. The company still managed to spice it up with a couple interesting features, including a big battery and a 50MP main camera. The Spark 20C has a 6.6 LCD with 720p resolution and even supports 90 Hz refresh rate. The whole handset is 8.75 mm thin with flat sides. Tecno did not reveal the exact chipset, but said there is an octa-core CPU with Cortex-A53 units at 2.2 GHz, which sounds like a MediaTek Helio G36 platform used for LTE-only phones. The phone comes with 128 GB storage, which can be expanded through a microSD slot. RAM has two options, 4 GB or 8 GB. The 50MP main cam on the back sits alongside the secondary shooter on the square island. It is branded as AI Cam and is most likely doing little to enhance the actual shots. The selfie camera has a 8MP sensor and sits inside a punch hole. Tecno Spark 20C boots Android 13 with Tecno's custom UI on top. The 5000 mAh battery supports 18W charging, and the phone has a neat dynamic island-style animation around the selfie camera, acting as a notification bar when the phone is plugged in. Other noteworthy specs include an FM radio, a 3.5mm audio jack, a USB-C port on the bottom, dual speakers, and a fingerprint scanner on the side. Tecno Spark 20C comes in Gravity Black, Mystery White, and Alpenglow Gold colors. There is also a paint job called Magic Skin, which is green in color and is a 100% recycled plastic panel with zero harmful substances. Information about pricing or availability is currently unavailable. According to some reports, we expect the device to start from $130.